What if I told you that 5 tiny seeds, yes, seeds, could help support your body's natural collagen production from the inside out? Here's the thing. Most people are spending hundreds on collagen powders and fancy creams, but they're completely overlooking these nutritional powerhouses hiding in plain sight. And seed number 1? It's the only food source that contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build collagen. Most people have never even heard of it for skin health. Now, let me be clear, these aren't magic pills. But what the science shows is pretty fascinating. When you understand what nutrients are actually inside these seeds, you'll wonder why nobody talks about them more. So let's dive into what the research actually reveals about these 5 seeds, ranked from most to least effective. Why seeds for skin? So why do seeds matter for skin health? Seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with amino acids, healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients may help support the proteins that give skin its structure, collagen and elastin. Research published in nutritional science journals indicates that certain nutrients found in seeds can contribute to skin health. Just as a seed contains everything needed to grow a plant, these same nutrients may help your body maintain healthy skin. Let's rank these seeds by their effectiveness, starting with the most powerful option. Seed number 1. Hemp Seeds, the complete protein. At number 1, we have hemp seeds, and here's why they top the list. Hemp seeds are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. Studies show these include the specific amino acids that make up collagen, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. According to research from nutritional science journals, hemp seeds are particularly rich in arginine, an amino acid that supports blood flow, helping nutrients reach skin cells more efficiently. Here's what else hemp seeds provide. Essential amino acids for collagen building blocks. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in an ideal 3:1 ratio. Vitamin E for antioxidant protection. Zinc to support skin repair. A 2022 study in medical journals noted that hemp seed extract may support collagen production and provide antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects that could benefit skin health. How to use them? Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of hulled hemp seeds, hemp hearts, to smoothies, salads, or yogurt. They have a mild, nutty flavor that works with almost anything. Important note, hemp seeds come from industrial hemp plants and contain no THC. They're completely legal and won't cause any psychoactive effects. Seed number 2. Flax Seeds, the omega-3 powerhouse. Coming in at number 2, flax seeds, nature's richest plant source of omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds contain 60 to 63% alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 that research suggests may help reduce inflammation, one of the key factors in skin aging. A 2023 review in the International Journal of Pharmaceutical Research found that flaxseed compounds may help slow collagen breakdown and reduce oxidative stress. Another study showed that consuming flaxseed oil for 12 weeks was associated with a 39% improvement in skin hydration. Flax seeds also contain lignans, compounds with antioxidant properties that some research suggests may help protect skin from environmental damage. The catch: eat them ground, not whole. Your body has difficulty digesting whole flax seeds, meaning you won't absorb their nutrients effectively. I grind mine fresh in a coffee grinder or by pre-ground flax meal. How to use them? Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Don't cook them at high heat, as this can damage the delicate omega-3 fatty acids. Storage tip: store ground flax in the refrigerator to prevent the oils from going rancid. Seed number 3. Pumpkin seeds, the zinc champion. At number 3, pumpkin seeds, one of the richest food sources of zinc. Here's why zinc matters for skin. According to the Journal of Nutrition, zinc deficiency can directly reduce collagen production. Zinc acts like a cofactor in the enzymes responsible for collagen synthesis. Just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds provides about 20% of your daily zinc needs. Research from dermatology journals indicates that zinc may help support collagen synthesis, regulate oil production to help manage acne, provide antioxidant protection with vitamin E, reduce inflammation with magnesium. A 2024 study published in Dermatology Research noted that vitamin C and zinc work together to boost collagen synthesis and maintain skin elasticity. How to use them? Enjoy raw or lightly toasted pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas. Add them to salads, trail mix, or eat them as a snack. About 2 tablespoons a few times a week can contribute to your zinc intake. Avoid heavily salted versions. Too much sodium can work against the benefits you're seeking. Seed number 4. Sunflower seeds, the collagen protectors. Number 4. Sunflower seeds, the vitamin E champions. While the previous seeds help build collagen, sunflower seeds excel at protecting it from damage. They're one of the best natural sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. According to Harvard Health Publishing and the University of Maryland Medical Center, vitamin E from food sources may help protect collagen and elastin from oxidative damage, maintain skin hydration, shield skin cells from UV damage, reduce the appearance of fine lines. Studies indicate that vitamin E works synergistically with vitamin C, helping regenerate it in your system for even more antioxidant activity. Sunflower seeds also contain selenium, another antioxidant that research suggests may help reduce signs of skin aging and support skin elasticity. How to use them? Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to salads, oatmeal, or homemade energy bars. They add a satisfying crunch and mild flavor. Storage tip: keep sunflower seeds in an airtight container away from heat and light. Their natural oils can go rancid quickly if not stored properly. Seed number 5. Chia seeds, the hydration helpers. Finally, at number 5, chia seeds, the ancient Aztec superfood. What makes chia seeds special is their unique ability to absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. Research published in PMC journals suggests this property may help with skin hydration when consumed regularly. A 2020 study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that chia seed extract improved skin hydration and reduced water loss when tested in topical formulations. Chia seeds also provide omega-3 fatty acids to help reduce inflammation, all 9 essential amino acids, complete protein, zinc to support collagen formation, antioxidants including chlorogenic acid and quercetin. Studies indicate that chia seeds contain compounds that may help reduce inflammation and support overall skin health. How to use them? Soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in water overnight. Add lemon in the morning for a hydrating drink. You can also add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Important: let chia seeds sit in liquid for at least 15 to 20 minutes before consuming. This activates their hydrating properties. Or seed mix. Now here's where it gets powerful, combining these seeds. When you blend different seeds, you're covering multiple aspects of skin health: building blocks, protection, hydration, and repair. Try this balanced mix. 1 part hemp seeds, 1 part ground flax seeds, 1 part pumpkin seeds, 1 part sunflower seeds. Store this mixture in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons daily in smoothies, on yogurt, or mixed into oatmeal. Keep chia seeds separate and soak them when you want that extra hydration boost. This way, your body gets a steady supply of nutrients that may support skin health, without having to think about it every day. Important considerations. Before you start adding these seeds to your diet, keep in mind: start slowly. If you're not used to eating seeds, begin with small amounts and gradually increase to avoid digestive discomfort. Quality matters. Choose organic, unsalted varieties when possible for the cleanest nutrition. Seeds are one piece. No single food can transform your skin on its own. These seeds work best as part of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and adequate hydration. Allergies. While rare, some people may have allergies to certain seeds. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult a healthcare provider. There you have it. 5 seeds ranked by their potential to support skin health, based on scientific research. From hemp seeds with their complete amino acid profile, to flax seeds omega-3 power, zinc-rich pumpkin seeds, vitamin E-packed sunflower seeds, and hydrating chia seeds, each offers unique benefits. Remember, these seeds may help support your body's natural processes, but they're not magic solutions. Healthy skin comes from a combination of good nutrition, adequate hydration, sun protection, and a consistent skincare routine. Which of these seeds will you try first? Let me know in the comments below.